Welcome to the best picks. The best goldfish pellets is probably one of the most important aspects of keeping your fin friends happy and healthy. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of goldfish nutrition, exploring the best pellet foods on the market, and helping you choose the perfect diet for your aquatic companions. We'll cover everything from ingredients and nutritional value to pellet size and sinking versus floating options, so you can make an informed decision. Number 5. Tetra Goldfish Variety Pellets, Balanced Diet. This is a staple daily food for your goldfish. It is specially designed to meet their dietary needs. Give them the nutrition they deserve. These pellets are a scientifically developed mix. It contains highly nutritious ingredients, vitamins, minerals, and trace elements. This helps keep your fish healthy. The pellets are bite-sized for easy consumption. This nutritionally complete diet also enhances your goldfish's naturally brilliant colors. Your fish will love it. The ProCare formula helps support your fish's immune system. This ensures optimal health and a long life for your goldfish. Keep your fish happy and healthy. Feed your goldfish 2 to 3 times daily. Only give them as much as they can consume within several minutes. Don't overfeed your fish. What we like. This food offers a balanced diet with essential vitamins and minerals, perfect for your goldfish's daily needs. It also enhances your goldfish's natural colors, making them more vibrant. If you are looking for a food that supports your fish's immune system and overall health, you should consider this. What people say. My goldfish loves the food, great products. It's easy to use and help on the color and health. The 2.2 pounds container is a great value for anyone with multiple tanks or a pond. It lasts a long time without compromising freshness if stored properly. Took a long time to get here. The pellets themselves are very good, keeps your tank nice and clear, not like a lot of other feed. Number 4. Aqueon Goldfish Food Slow Sinking Granules. This food is made with natural ingredients and colors. It also includes added vitamins, minerals, and trace nutrients. This helps to keep your fish healthy and vibrant. The ingredients are designed to attract fish naturally. This means they'll love the taste and be eager to eat it. It's a nutritious choice for your aquatic friends. The formula ensures fish utilize more of what they eat, reducing waste. This helps keep the water clean and clear. Following the feeding instructions will prevent clouding. It's suitable for common goldfish, fancy orandas, and even small koi. This food is a versatile option for a variety of goldfish types. It supports their specific dietary needs. The granules are approximately 1.5 millimeters in size, ideal for easy consumption. This size is perfect for the different types of goldfish. It ensures they can eat comfortably. This food is great for comets, fantails, shabunkins, orandas, ryukins, lionheads, telescope eyes, moors, bubble eyes, celestial eyes, pearl scales, and small koi. It is a great choice for a wide variety of goldfish. What we like. This food is made with natural ingredients and colors, attracting fish naturally. It's formulated to reduce waste, keeping your tank cleaner. If you want a food that won't cloud your water and is suitable for various goldfish types, you should consider this. What people say. Perfect food for the baby fish that we have in our pond. It slowly sinks to the bottom for those shy little ones that won't come to the surface. High quality ingredients, not smelly like some other fish foods. They seem to enjoy it, no tank clouding, and definitely seems to be improving both the tummy air bloat and their digestion. The fish love these pellets. They fall at a slow speed, allowing them to be eaten up for the most part before hitting the bottom. My tanks do not become nasty messes when feeding this food. Number 3. Blue Ridge Koi Fish Food 2 pounds. This premium fish food is designed to enhance the health and vitality of your koi and pond fish. It contains top-quality protein, carbohydrates, and amino acids, ensuring easy digestion for your fish. This mini-growth formula is perfect for koi and goldfish 5 inches and smaller. It provides a completely balanced nutritional diet that greatly enhances growth. The food contains a special blend of vitamins and minerals. This blend promotes resistance to stress and improves the immunity of your fish. Keep your koi thriving year-round with this nutritious and balanced food. It's perfect for all-season feeding and helps fish thrive even in colder temperatures. We truly care about your fish's health. If you're not satisfied with the product, we offer a money-back guarantee, no questions asked. What we like. This food is designed to enhance the growth of your koi and goldfish, providing a balanced diet. It contains vitamins and minerals to improve immunity and is suitable for year-round feeding, even in colder temperatures. If you have koi or goldfish and want to ensure their health and growth throughout the year, you should consider this. What people say. My shabunkin goldfish thrive on this food. They are lively and energetic with excellent color. The fish eat every morsel enthusiastically. Number 2. Fluval Bug Bites Goldfish Food, 3.53 ounces. This goldfish food is packed with up to 40% black soldier fly larvae, the first ingredient. It's a nutrient-rich source that fish love. This food is high in multiple proteins, including whole salmon. It's rich in omega-3 and 6, which help keep their skin, scales, and fins healthy. The food is fortified with essential vitamins, amino acids, and minerals. This provides a balanced daily diet for your goldfish. The slow-sinking pellet format allows all fish to feed at their preferred depth. Feed them as much as they can eat in 2 minutes, 2 or 3 times daily. It's sustainably processed in small batches to ensure quality control and maximum freshness. This ensures the food is of the highest quality for your fish. This product is made in Canada with no artificial fillers, colors, or preservatives. You can trust this food to be safe and healthy for your goldfish. What we like. This food contains up to 40% nutrient-rich black soldier fly larvae, providing a high-protein source. It is rich in omega-3 and 6 for healthy skin, scales, and fins. If you like a food that caters to all fish feeding preferences, you should consider this. What people say. Food is high quality and sits at a good price point for me. I have it set to auto ship and my 6-pound goldies will go through about 3 bags over the course of the summer being fed once a day, so I kind of wish there was a larger bag size available. Mine are all common goldfish, and I don't see any digestive issues with this food, not that commons are prone to those anyways. After I started feeding this, I also noticed a lot of growth and increased color vibrancy in all of my fish. Great food for goldfish. I have been giving my 2 goldfish this food for a while and they get bigger and bigger every day. This food has changed my goldfish's health. I have a very large fancy goldfish that has been dealing on and off with illness. He was in a hospital tank for a month and was not responding. I decided to change his pellet food and he has been great ever since. He has been eating this food for a few months now and has had no rebounded illness. Number 1. Hikari Excel Goldfish Food 3.8 ounces. This food is designed to bring out the vibrant colors of your goldfish. It helps them look their best, showcasing the beautiful hues they are known for. The sinking wafer form helps prevent common goldfish issues. This design reduces the chances of bloating and swim bladder problems, keeping them healthy. Carefully selected ingredients ensure your goldfish grow quickly and develop a desirable form. It provides the necessary nutrients for optimal development. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, this food strengthens your fish's immune system. It helps them stay healthy and resist diseases. It offers superior and safe color enhancement using highly digestible spirulina algae. This natural ingredient helps them achieve their brightest colors. What we like. This food is developed to bring out the true colors of your goldfish. The sinking wafers can help reduce the chances of bloat or swim bladder issues. If you want a food that promotes rapid growth and enhances your goldfish's vibrant colors, you should consider this. What people say. They still enjoy the food despite them getting it fairly regularly, and unlike the cheaper stuff at grocery stores, it's very dense. Goldfish prefer food that sinks to the bottom of a pond or tank, and makes it easier for the bay fish to feed. The ingredients are high quality and our goldfish have beautiful color. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.